Some places feel different when it rains. More alive, more peaceful, more connected to nature. The air feels fresher, the noise fades away, and every breath feels lighter. A thoughtfully planned gated community crafted with space, privacy, and seamless infrastructure. 50 acres of hillside luxury, 50% open green spaces, over 2,000 existing trees preserved beautifully within. At Satvam Hills, nature is not a view, it becomes part of everyday living. Nature-inspired hillside luxury NA plots in Mulshi, crafted for a life closer to nature.